Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's video, this is interesting one. I'm going to generate a Python application by using tkinter, GIU weather application. So basically in this application, I will be having a text field where I will be entering the city name and option menu to convert the unit or the Celsius Fahrenheit button to show the weather. Let's get started. First, I'm going to write all the requirement to ChatGPT, and after that I will be getting a code. So I will be like getting the code from the ChatGPT. The Python here I'm using to tkinter with a text field, okay, to enter the city name or the option as we have just now discussed. So basically the color option app of the color also we can get it, so that all the text feel and look I can get it from here. So let's get started. Let's go to this application to deploy app weather. So here I'm going to get a API, the key which I will be using it. So basically I will be saving these key in our terminal, and I will be using this key to get my actual weather. Okay, so I will be writing the entire code, I will be pasting the entire code, and the API key I will be pasting it here, which I have got it from the domain. I will be sharing that link as well from where I will be getting. Let's run this code. So let's run the Python application. So Python and app.py. Okay, so yeah, here we will be having our weather application up and ready. Guys, you can see the city is there, and also if I'm going to write that city, I can show the weather, what is the exact weather. I can convert the unit as well. It's having Celsius and other things as well. So this is one of the very coolest thing to develop by using ChatGPT. So I just came across about it. So from USA, if you want to search, you can just click on show weather of USA, or you can search weather of India. So it shows the weather of India as well. So thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement. Thank you.